A pack of 4 gives you the option to build 4 fully complete cages to your specifications. I'll show you now the process of building one all the way through. So the first part is the cage, the metal work. First thing to do on here is to build the sides up. So it comes with 2 different types of sides. There's a solid side which is fixed, or there's also a sliding piece which, as you can see there, comes out. That enables you to build an extended flight. So quite simply, just putting on top of the metalwork, aligning the grooves with the bars, and then just pushing down into place. Push the metalwork underneath the plastic clips, 3 positions. And then on the other side, just repeat with the same process. Just lining those up, pushing the plastic clips in. Again, 3 clips on the bottom there. So next step is the back. So all we do here, we line up the clips down the middle, with the bar on the back. Just one point to note on there: the cutout piece goes towards the bottom of the cage. So we just want to make sure it's lined up, just push those in. And then at that point, you can start working along the top and just hooking the plastics underneath the wires. Clips a little stiffer if you push out and then bend them over and underneath. To get a nice snug fit in there. Like so. So we're now going to add this groove piece, which allows us to put a divide through the cages, putting the rounded edge, keeping that outside of the cage. Then just want to put a hand in. This goes through the gap down the middle, and then through to the back. You rotate it, keeping the groove facing upwards. You then take the dividing metalwork. It's got the spring feature. This needs to face the top and to the front of the cage, like so. We drop this through the middle bars, along the groove, the plastic groove that we've just inserted, nip the spring down, and that just drops into place, and that's now locked in position. We've got 4 plastic doors, and these are to go over 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. Very simple, plastic door, smooth face on the facing outwards. There's a metal spring across the top. You need to pull that one back. Line up the 2 lugs on the outside of the wires around the holes. Clips into place, metal spring on the top. So we've got our 4 doors in place. We now take the feeders. We lift the door and simply over the holes, clip down into place and release. The feeders themselves come with a straightforward removal refills, and in the meantime there's a spring-loaded inner door to prevent any birds escaping. So we've then got 2 perches that can be fitted through the cages as you like. There's also a water beaker, which again can be fitted in any position along the wires. Little grooves just to secure in place. And then finally, we have a magnetic LED strip. This can be fitted on the underside of the cage, sticks securely in place. Then with a wire to a connection out the back. So in each pack of 4, there is 1 cage that will come with metal legs. These, if you're using them with the trolley system, which is available separately, these go on the bottom and interlock, lock into there, and on the sides as well, so that that's not going anywhere. We can then stack up to 4 cages. Again, pieces on the side, clip into each other. We can build them up like so. That's the 4th one that completes the set. So with every pack of 4 cages comes a lighting pack as well, which includes the 4 LEDs for the cages, the individual cages. We've then got a 24-hour timer plug. We've got a transformer for the mains, a timing switch, a dimmer switch. We've then got a 5 metre length of cable to allow you to run to the nearest plug socket, and then a series of Y splitters to enable us to connect all the cages. So to connect the lights in the cages, we simply take the splitter and add it into the tails coming out of the cages. We keep on working down, 1 in, 1 into the cage, and again 1 into the cage, and then we just add onto the extension cable like so, and then as you can see we have light. So it's possible to join up to 8 cages using the same electric point, simply by adding further splitters. Like so. The lights can then be controlled from this switch, simply by turning the wheel, the lights come on, and then we can control the intensity as well, like so. There's 2 options of trolley that are available separately. The first one is 60 centimetres and the larger one here is 120. So each cage comes with a nest pan which can be placed anywhere on the bars. So the trolleys, available separately, come just in a ready to assemble form. 2 end pieces. And 2 lengths. And finally, all the fixings and caster feet are in the last packet here. The assembly of the trolley is dead straightforward. Simply take the 4 metal pieces. We keep all the slots and grooves on the top. Place the 2 lengths again with the slots facing top over the top, like so. And then using the bolts provided, simply screw together using the provided Allen key. Finally, there's 4 caster feet to fit. These are lockable so they can be fixed in position. And here's one I made earlier.